The Dead Sea Captain's at the helm now, eyes of fire like Corona. He never cared about the calm, he's only worried about the storm. Captain, cross me over. Captain, let me ride. I could not believe my ears when I heard the choir sing. They talked in many tongues, yet their words remained unspoken, and the sound of souls in suffering. And the eagle become a vulture, and the eagle